Children, today's topic is uses of microorganism in production of vaccines. Microorganisms are also used in the production of vaccines. Vaccines protect humans and other animals against many diseases by providing immunity against the concerned disease. The ability of one's body to resist a disease is called immunity. Immunity against a particular disease can be developed by a technique called vaccination. A small dose of dead and weakened disease causing microbes used to stimulate immune response in the body is called vaccine. How does vaccine work? When the vaccine is introduced into the body of a healthy person orally or by injection, the body of that person responds by producing antibodies. If this is the first time you have heard about antibodies, you may not know how important they are. Antibodies are one of the warriors inside our body, helping us to fight off invading particles. They are type of a protein and a key component of our immune system. Antibodies circulate in the bloodstream and can appear anywhere throughout the body. Their function is to recognize bad agents called antigens and then trigger further chemical reactions in the body to remove the antigens. Antigens are foreign matter that are capable of triggering immune response. They can be viruses, fungus, and bacteria, etc. Some of the antibodies remain in the blood of the person for a very long time and fight against the same microorganisms and kill them if they happen to enter the body naturally at a later date. So, due to the presence of antibodies in the blood, a person remains protected from the particular disease. Thus, a vaccine develops the immunity from a disease. Edward Jenner, a scientist and physician, discovered the vaccine for smallpox in 1798. A worldwide campaign against the smallpox is finally led to its eradication in most parts of the world. Many diseases, including smallpox, tetanus, polio, TB, cholera, hepatitis B can be prevented by vaccination. National Pulse Polio Program is practiced to eradicate polio from the country. Under this, children below the age of 5 years are regularly given polio drops. In our childhood, we are given injections or vaccine drops to protect us against several diseases. A particular vaccine is given at a particular age. This is called immunization schedule.